Touch by the Bloodhound gang. Very cool riff indeed. My name is Hannes Knechtges, and in this video I want to show you this very riff, which is actually played by the bass in the original version by the Bloodhound gang by Evil Jared Hasselhoff. One of my comments of one of my students said, okay, I like this very song you just showed me, Hannes, but I'd love to learn the Bad Touch by the Bloodhound gang. And this really gave me chills because I was born in the 80s and I grew up in the 90s, and this was kind of like a flashback for me just reading this comment, and I was like, yeah, I should do the Bad Touch. And I found out it's quite fun actually to play this bass riff on guitar because it's so groovy somehow, and you can learn so much about it, and it's not that hard. So we start in the 3rd fret with our first phrase here of the A string with the index finger. And then we go to the 6th fret of the A string and the 3rd fret of the D string. So it's 3, 3, 3, 6, 3. And I would recommend you to play downstrokes. The 3rd fret of the A string, but upstrokes on the 6th fret of the A string and the 3rd fret of the D string. Let's come to the 2nd phrase. It's again on the same 2 strings, on the A and the D string, so we have 3, 6, and then 3 on the D string, 6, and 3, 6, 5 on the A string. 3, 6, 3, 6, 3, 6, 5. Play everything with the downstrokes, but the 5th fret of the A string with an upstroke. So 3, 6, 3, 6, 3, 6, 5. 3, 6, 3, 6, 3, 6, 5. So from the very top. 5. Okay, those are phrase number 1 and 2. Now we come to phrase number 3. And this is where the magic happens. I was just about to say, but no, I mean where beginners might get trouble with, so be careful when you play it. 6th fret E string with the pinky. And now we have to jump over 2 strings to the G string in the 3rd fret. And we play that twice with a down and an upstroke. And when you leave the 6th fret E string, try to mute it and don't let it ring like this. But I mute it with my palm here of my picking hand. And then 5th fret and 3rd fret on the D string. So 6, 3, 3, 5, 3. 6, 3, 3, 5, 3. 6, 3, 3, 5, 3. So it's down, down, up, down, up. From the top, 3, 3, 3, 6, 3, 3, 6, 3, 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 3, 3, 5, 3. And then the last part, the last phrase is, and then we go to 3rd fret A string, 6th fret, 3rd fret D string, 6th fret A string again, and 3, 6, and 3rd fret D string again. 3, 6, 3, 6, 3, 6, 3, 3, 6, 3, 6, 3, 6, 3. Play everything with downstrokes besides the last note and the third fret of the D string played with an upstroke. 3, 6, 3, 6, 3, 6, 3. From the very top. 3, 3, 3, 6, 3, 3, 6, 3, 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 3, 3, 5, 3, 3, 6, 3, 6, 3, 6, 3. I tend to find the following situation the most difficult one when we're coming from the 5th fret, and then we have to go with the pinky to the 6th fret of the E string. This is quite making your hand being under tension, and this is something you can practice by ring finger 5th fret A string and then going to the 6th fret of the E string. Exercise while practicing this riff. Try to be with your index finger kind of like there where it's supposed to play the 3rd fret, so you have kind of like a very clean technique here going on. Don't do something like this, because your index finger is also responsible for muting the strings, the upper strings here, kind of like it's lying or just touching them so they get muted. So many times it's more about muting than actually playing a certain note, so just check that and use this exercise to master this riff properly. See, my index finger isn't pushing down here or anything, but it's there to help the other fingers to not, or my picking hand not to create notes I don't want to hear. So, the whole thing. Bad Touch by the Bloodhound Gang. I hope you had a lot of fun learning and playing this riff. If you like the melody of the song, also check out the video description. There you'll find a tutorial for the melody of the chorus of the song. And if you're a total beginner, if you're a bloody beginner, or you picked up your guitar after years of not playing it, shame on you, then I got something for you. You find in the video description my free lessons for beginners, no matter if you're having an acoustic guitar or an electric guitar. Go there. Have fun, learn the basics. You need to master my videos on this channel here, or everything you need to know to master the guitar in general. And having a lot of fun is also something very important to me. So I hope you had a lot of fun here. Let me know what you want to learn in the future in the comments. See you on the next video. Take care. Bye.